Just 1 glass of water with baking soda will do these to your body. Have you ever wondered how a simple glass of water with baking soda can transform your health? Well, today we're diving into the surprising benefits of this common household item. From boosting your digestive health to enhancing physical performance, just 1 glass of water with baking soda can do wonders for your body. Curious to know more? Let's find out how this simple solution can make a big difference. So, what exactly is baking soda? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder that's naturally alkaline. It's commonly used in baking as a leavening agent, helping dough rise by producing carbon dioxide when it reacts with acidic ingredients. But baking soda is not just for the kitchen. It's a versatile household staple used for cleaning, deodorizing, and even personal care. From whitening teeth to soothing insect bites, baking soda's uses are almost endless. But today we're focusing on its internal benefits, particularly when mixed with water. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll learn some incredible science-backed benefits of drinking water with baking soda. Let's get started. Number 1, alkalizing the body. One of the key benefits of baking soda is its ability to help balance the body's pH levels. Our bodies function best when they are slightly alkaline, but factors like poor diet, stress, and environmental toxins can lead to an acidic state. Drinking a glass of water with baking soda can help neutralize this acidity. By maintaining a more alkaline environment, you can reduce inflammation, improve overall cellular function, and even boost your energy levels. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural processes and enhance your overall well-being. Number 2, digestive health. Next, let's talk about how baking soda can benefit your digestive health. If you've ever suffered from heartburn or acid indigestion, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid, neutralizing stomach acid and providing quick relief from these symptoms. By mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, you can help soothe your stomach lining and reduce the burning sensation. But that's not all. Regular consumption of this mixture can aid in overall digestive health by maintaining a balanced pH level in your gut. This can help with issues like bloating, gas, and even constipation, promoting a healthier and more comfortable digestive system. 3, enhancing physical performance. Did you know that baking soda can also boost your physical performance? Athletes have been using baking soda for years to enhance their endurance and reduce muscle fatigue. This is because baking soda helps buffer the acid produced in muscles during intense exercise, delaying the onset of fatigue. When you consume baking soda, it increases the pH level in your blood and muscles, allowing you to perform at a higher intensity for a longer period. Studies have shown that this can lead to improved performance in activities like running, swimming, and cycling. So, if you're looking for a natural way to take your workouts to the next level, a glass of water with baking soda might just be the secret weapon you need. Number 4, kidney health. Moving on to kidney health, baking soda can play a supportive role here as well. Our kidneys are responsible for filtering out toxins and maintaining the body's acid-base balance. Studies have shown that baking soda can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acidity in the blood. Additionally, it can aid in the prevention of kidney stones by neutralizing urine acidity, making it less likely for stones to form. By supporting the kidney's natural detoxification process, baking soda helps keep these vital organs functioning effectively, promoting overall health and well-being. Number 5, anti-inflammatory benefits. Baking soda also has notable anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in many diseases, including arthritis. Drinking water with baking soda has been shown to reduce inflammation by encouraging the body's production of anti-inflammatory cytokines while suppressing inflammatory ones. This can provide relief from conditions like arthritis, reducing pain and swelling in the joints. By promoting an anti-inflammatory state, baking soda can contribute to better long-term health and comfort, especially for those dealing with chronic inflammatory conditions. how to make and consume. Now, let's talk about how to make and consume this simple yet powerful remedy. To prepare, just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water until it dissolves completely. It's best to drink this mixture on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or before a meal, to maximize its benefits. However, it's important not to overdo it. Drinking this solution once a day is usually sufficient. As with any remedy, there are some precautions to consider. People with high blood pressure, those on a sodium-restricted diet, or individuals with certain medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before starting this regimen. Moderation and proper guidance are key to ensuring that you reap the benefits safely. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies.